Hi, a lot of the applications I use need data. SQL Server is what I use. I'm going to download and install SQL Server Express. It's free. It will hold a database up to 10 gigs in size, and it supports up to 4 cores. You can get larger editions, paid editions. I'm also going to download the free Microsoft SQL Management Studio, which is the easiest way I find for managing SQL Server, because it allows you to set up the databases and also the permissions, the user permissions, which is very important on a network, a domain network specifically. If you're setting up SQL Server on a domain network, there are some additional considerations, and I will cover them in a future video. And there you have it. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comments section. I'd be happy to answer your questions. And until next time, thanks for watching.